Changing the phone number on your Coinbase account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Coinbase website or open the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to Settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or the gear icon in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Phone Number. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Phone Number or Security. Click on it to view your current phone number and the option to change it. Step 4. Enter new phone number. Input your new phone number in the designated field. Make sure to double check the number for accuracy to avoid any issues. Step 5. Verify your new number. After entering the new phone number, Coinbase will send a verification code via SMS. Enter the code in the provided field to confirm the change. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number will be updated on your Coinbase account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Coinbase support for assistance.